Hey everyone! So I found this poor amputated Ken and Barbie doll at a flea market here in Berlin. The amputated Barbie you will see later. I questioned what ever happened to these two. Did they get into a fight or got their arms chewed off by a dog? So my first instinct was to buy them and repair them. So this is a how-to. So this is how I came up with this how-to tutorial on how to fix these amputated Ken and Barbie doll up, in which is the project of today. I ordered these ready-to-move bodies from eBay, but they did not come in different shades of skin tones, just one shade, light. I wanted to keep the skin tone as close as possible, or as close as possible to the Barbie and Ken doll, so I decided to create this experiment in which I will paint or in which I will paint the body later in acrylic to match the skin tones. Actually, I have already created one tutorial with spray paint to change the skin tone of a Ken Barbie doll. You can see a tutorial by clicking on the upper right corner to find how I change the skin of a vintage Ken doll. It's really quite interesting. So today I want to repair these limbs and exchange them for ready-to-move bodies or ready-to-move limbs without actually popping out the head. I thought to myself that what would be the easiest thing to do, but then it was hard to find a body to match the head color. I looked around and I just could not. So this is the easiest solution, or the most logical solution at the moment that I can find. So I decided to keep the body and just repair and operate on the limbs. First, I used a filer to smoothen the limbs. Now, depending on which version of Barbie and Ken, not all parts fit. So even if you do not have an amputated Ken or Barbie doll, you can cut their limbs off and create made-to-move bodies from other made-to-move bodies or parts of other doll parts. Sometimes the skin really does not match the new body, and this is one reason for this method of repainting. And then I am using an electric drill to drill a hole for the ball point to fit into the arm. So here it is. Kids, please have an adult to supervise, as an electric drill is quite powerful, and just to be safe. On many older and newer Barbie dolls, the limbs are not movable like ready-to-move bodies. I would have just switched the entire head onto the flexible body bought from eBay, but the head did not fit entirely. So this was the most perfect solution that I thought of. I also took the legs off from the bodies that I bought from eBay. They were only $2 to $3 for the body. I will include this in the link if you are interested to go check out and buy it. It will be in the description link. So here I put the forearm and hands on the arm of the Ken Barbie doll. It fits perfectly, and I will take the other arm as well. This one is a little tight, but it fits. Next, I will take the legs and attach them to the balls of the Ken Barbie doll, as they are a perfect match. Here is the Ken doll put together. Not bad, right? The next step would be to paint the limbs to match the Ken doll body skin tone, but I choose to leave it this color because I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest. Here is a better look at the finished operation. Now it is not only fixed, but also made to move now. Next, here we have the amputated Barbie doll. I will drill a hole in each arm like I did with the Ken Barbie doll, the same method. I would also use this option if you don't want to change the body of the Ken or Barbie doll because the skin tone fits too much. This is just an alternative if you actually want to operate on your Barbie and Ken doll, and as well as to fix them if anything happened to them. All fixed up and put together, she is made to move and flexible now. Just a reminder, if you like my videos and find this particular one useful or any other future ones useful, please support by subscribing to this channel and like by clicking on the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and also it would motivate me to create more videos like these, more how-to videos like these. I hope this video was helpful and inspired you. That's how you can repair your dolls. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. If you like this video and want to support this channel, please subscribe and click the like button. Share this with your doll buddies. Thanks for watching and have a great week. Here is the stop motion segment of this video. Enjoy! Waving and see you later!